We've interviewed some, I know you have too, with a lot of different, both sides about the medicinal marijuana, and where will that discussion come to a committee, or will it be brought out to the floor for discussion? But from what you are seeing and out, do you think that we moved at all?
So one of the major bottlenecks seems to be Senate leadership. On the House side, Representative Carney, the House Majority Leader, he said basically, we're not going to vote on this unless we know it's going to be able to pass the Senate. And so then you saw in the floor speeches yesterday, Senate President Stivers, he got up there and he said, I want to see the science, I want to see the evidence, and was quickly met with a text message from Onge Nemes that says, I'll deliver 5 studies straight to your desk. And so that's going to be kind of where the debate lies, is can the Republicans who support this, because really, if this thing's going to pass, it's going to be from Republicans. Can the Republicans who support this convince Senate leadership that this is worthwhile, that this is a good idea, and that this is something that they should pass?
And when the legislators come back in February, do you expect them to kind of continue to just pass through and lock down on these key issues of what they're wanting to hopefully accomplish?
Yeah, it's a short session, so they're kind of limited in terms of how much they can explore. And I mean, school safety will definitely be a priority. There will be fixes to the tax code. They passed that tax reform bill last year, and they have some adjustments that they want to make. And then there are issues like medicinal marijuana, and there are issues like bail reform that I'm sure will come up and will draw a lot of attention.